Hi everyone, I am here to do my second experiment on compiler lab. So my second experiment is to write a program to scan the input program and generate a symbol table. So a symbol table is a data structure containing a record for each identifier with fields for the attributes of the identifier. So it will split up the identifiers in each every section. So the data type and the scope of the identifier. By using these records, each of the identifier can be retrieved easily and quickly. So, so let's go to the code that I have typed here. So this is my code. So the program will split the identifiers and the punctuators according to the program that I have given here, the code that I have given here. So the code will be this code will be based regarding the splitting up of the identifiers. So firstly going to the packages. So I have so many header files used here, so many packages. So I am getting into my class symbol. So public static void main is used to start up the program. So I have used a try generator, and I have used so many string files, and I have declared string data and string var as null initially. So I have created an I variable, int I variable. So I have created a file named f, and I have I have imported files data into it. So file reader and buffer reader is used to read the file, and I have used system.out.println to display certain things to initially understand the data type, initial value, return type, just for understanding the user. Then the string data type. I have declared the data type of the string, that is int, float, char, double, long, byte, boolean, etc. So I have begun with a while loop, and I have begun with s is equal to buff.readline, and I have declared and I am checking whether it is a null character. If it's not a null character, it will go into a if statement, and if statement if s dot contains a bracket, opening bracket. If it contains an opening bracket, if it belongs to true, that is when we go to the program2.txt, you can see here the next to add there is a opening bracket here. So it all belongs to the symbols. So if it contains that opening symbol, if it's true, then it will split that opening bracket into different symbol or different punctuators or type, different data types. So next I am going to split certain slash slash and slash t and white spaces here that I have did here. Then I have declared a count variable as with 0 in order to count the number of data types here. So next I am going to replace all the commas and all the white spaces here. So I have replaced it using fr1 is equal to fr1 dot replace all. Inside that I have used the things that I should replace it, and the things that I should replace I have included in it. And then I have created a for loop. Inside it I have checked the length of the variable. Then inside it I have checked whether a semicolon or comma is coming. If it's coming, then we should replace it. Then I have used the system.out.print print to print that slash t a blank space. Then I have used the system command, a println command, to print the count of the variable, the count of the data type. If else, I will go to another for loop, and I will check the number of data types there, and the length of the data types. If it contains if the data types of k contains is equal to true, then it will split according to the statement given here. So it will split the white spaces, as you can see in the program2.txt. This will be this will the way it will this is the way by which it will separate all the tokens and the symbols. So in a comma b. So here comma comes, then they will separate this comma and these variables into different sections and different data types and punctuators. So like that, add functions will be separated, char variable, all this will be separated according to suitable data type and suitable table. So next, system node output println will be coming, and it will print the variable of I, and then it will print the blank statement, and it will and if an error if an error occurs, it will catch the exception, and it will get the message from the println. So this is my message. So let's go to this. Let's go to the output, or let's run the program. So finally it has got the output. So this is my output. So it has separated the data type, id, initial value, return type, type of parameters, and number of parameters separately. So there are two variables, that is int a comma b. So it has two values, 0 and 5. As you can see in this program, a was declared 0 null, and b was declared as 5 here. As you can see here. Yeah, as you can see here, a is declared as 0 and b is declared as 5. So it will be declared as edges, here, a declared as 0, b is declared as 5, and float variable, a pi float variable is declared, and it is initially given as 3.14. So the initial value will be 3.14. Then a char variable is declared, and c, and it has got an initial value as y. Then a function is created, add function, and it has got a return type, that is float, int. So it has got two return types, int and float. So this is all with my second experiment. Thank you.
Shampoo.